The Modi government facing the embarrassment of a minister, former Army Chief General V.K. Singh, tweeting against the Army Chief designate. This man, Lieutenant General Dalbir Suhag, the tweets linked him of supporting dacoity through an army unit. The tweets enough fodder for the opposition Congress to demand the resignation of the minister.
The government ought to remove this minister. Prime Minister must clarify. It is unacceptable.
The government, red-faced, was forced to intervene. Defence Minister Arun Jaitley, who had already sought an explanation from his ministry about how an affidavit of this tone and tenor reached the apex court, made a brief statement in Parliament, setting aside fears of any change in the army leadership.
Keeping the various standards of political maturity, statecraft in mind, all of us, not only the government, but all of us must keep the army and its appointments out of this arena and stand by the appointment.
The opposition so far has not given up. The affidavit filed in the Supreme Court by the Ministry of Defence has very harsh words for the former chief, almost indicting him for principles of violating natural justice, also saying he engaged in an illegal and premeditated act to stall the promotion of Suhag.
If they have indicted the minister and it has been sent by Mr. Modi's government, then he must take responsibility for this indictment.
Predictably, V.K. Singh and his former minister A.K. Antony have all refused to talk. As the Modi government battles its first major controversy, the general-turned-politician has been left to defend himself, with only this coming from the government as support.
That if one of the major political parties chooses to attack a minister, then the minister may consider defending himself.
General Singh's Age Rao saga that began with the UPA has continued. In New Delhi, with Anubha Bhosle and Ananya Das Gupta.
General V.K. Singh refusing to comment but clearly standing by his tweet.
भाई एमओडी से पूछो ना यार, मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
So your tweets you calling him. So you're saying that
का काम होता है जो कुछ भी.
So you're saying that somebody who is there, innocent.
I'm not saying anything. Ask the MOD.
But the government has sidelined.